Not all drones on the market come with backpacks for free, or in fact, they can be damaged for any reason. Drone backpacks will be needed to be device saved. According to the model, the drone backpack is not available in time. You have to find a lot in the market. To make it easier, we have put together 10 free-size drone backpacks. In this video, we will discuss on best drone backpack reviews and the right buying guide in 2022. Starting at number 5. USA Gear Backpack. Get ready to enjoy lots of features and plenty of storage space with the USA Gear DSLR camera backpack. Now you can carry your drone, large camera, and critical lens into it. If you want to get a cheap drone backpack containing all the essential features, then you can pick this bag. Tons of customizable internal storage space, dedicated phone and charger pockets, space for holding large photography gear are helpful for travel. The padded laptop pocket can hold up to a 15.6-inch laptop. Using the side door, you can bring out your camera or drone, keeping the rest of the gears safe in the other pockets. All metal zippers are quality made and run smooth. But they neither have an anti-theft design nor any option for use a small lock. Our travel photographer team has used this bag for an outdoor photography project. They find it very convenient to carry lots of equipment with better safeguard. Have enough space for a larger drone and camera. Completely customizable interior. Well padded, large laptop pocket. At number 4. Manfrotto MBBP D1. If you have a DJI Phantom drone, then the Manfrotto MBBP D1 DJI professional video equipment cases drone backpack may be the best choice. The internal dimension of the bag is 21.2 x 11.8 x 6.3. The inner space is quite enough to hold a DJI Phantom 4 along with a DSLR, lens, and a tripod. Even it is also a versatile drone backpack that you can use in a multiple way according to your demand. The Manfrotto is the best backpack for DJI drones. The manufacturing company ensures good protection for your equipment. The well-padded top compartment safeguards the ultra-protective pouch, fits closely around the drone and other gears to keep them safe. You can put your drone inside the backpack for extra protection. You can also strap it on the outside of the bag for your quick and easy movement. This backpack can hold all the models of the DJI Phantom series. Specially designed for DJI Phantom. Well-padded interior ensures safety. At number 3. Jitech 1MO Backpack. The Jitech 1MO DJI drone backpack is the next item in our top best drone backpacks list. It is popular for its 2-in-1 bag design and quick access design. The versatile use is another best quality of this GoPro 10, DJI Air 2S, DJI FPV, DJI Mavic Mini 2/Air 2 Pocket backpack. You can use it as a backpack, fanny pack, or shoulder bag. You can carry a MacBook and a stabilizer also. The amazing quick access design allows you to quickly remove the built-in pouch, drone, camera, and other things. The main compartment is customizable. So, you can arrange it in any configuration for holding any size of gears and accessories. When we tested this drone backpack, we find it is quite comfortable to wear. The multiple decompression design comes with lots of extra adjustable straps. Though the waist straps are a little bit uncomfortable, they work well in holding the bag with you. Dedicated pockets for the battery can carry extra batteries. The 5L expandable storage on the back has plenty of space to keep photography gear. Customizable compartment and versatile use. Waterproof zippers. Easy to clean. At number 2. Pro Protactic 350 AW. According to our expert, this FPV drone backpack is sturdy and gets full marks on its durability. The dimension of the backpack is 11.81 x 7.09 x 18.5 inches, and its weight is 4.66 pounds. The heavy build of the product makes it very sturdy. Strong EVA molded top and padded layer surrounding the bag provide your drone and equipment full protection. The amazing 4 openings design lets you use it versatilely. It has a few flexible dividers inside, which are rigid enough to hold your accessories. But while we use the drone backpack, we realize that it would have been better if these dividers were not so tight. This FPV drone backpack includes a slip-lock tripod cup and 2 quick-lock straps to provide good security. The cradle-fit pocket is quite protectable for carrying FPV drones. Dust and water-resistant features keep the bag spotless and shiny like a new one even after a long time of use. Sturdy build and durable construction. Standard size laptop packet. Amazing 4-opening design. At number 1. Moziso DJI Mavic. The Moziso is one of the best camera and drone backpacks, DJI Mavic, allowing you to easily carry extra gear. The dimension of the backpack is 15.99 x 8.99 x 1 inch, and the weight is only 0.64 grams. It has one compartment for holding drones, different photography gear like cameras, lens, and flashes. Another one is a laptop compartment that even can hold a 15-inch laptop. This drone backpack comes with an open design and hardshell protection with 2 extra pockets for drone accessories. The back-faced pocket can store a power bank, memory card, SD cards, cables, and other small items. It also has an anti-theft pocket to keep your cell phone, wallet, and other valuable things safe. Our expert team suggests this device bag as the best drone backpack Mavic for holding extra gear, because it also allows you to carry a water bottle and an umbrella. The water resistance feature will protect your things from rain. The padded shoulder straps are adjustable. Plenty of space for extra gear. Secured hardshell protection. Water resistant.